Welcome, highly welcome. All right. First, can the Zoom people hear me? Just say, let them say something. Are you guys excited today to see me? The Zoom guys. Zoom. Can the Zoom people hear? Oh, nice. Oh, I can't hear. I can't get a feedback from them. Can you unmute me for a second? Unmute me for a second. Let me talk to someone under my heart is telling me to talk. Have you unmuted me? Good. It is now that they're supposed to be taking this video now. That you later start asking the pictures. They're not asking them to make the video now. Now we're live. This. Are we good? Okay, everybody can hear me now. Amazing. But I can't seem to hear the people on Zoom yet. Oh, unmute them. I want to hear the feedback. Unmute them. So if you're on Zoom, you're excited to see me now. Just say something really nice now. All right. Okay. I can see. How's it going, man? How's it going, guys? Nice. Okay, everybody can hear me clearly. Thank you. Loud and clear. All right, go ahead and mute. Go ahead and mute everyone now. Don't you go ahead and mute everybody. They can hear. All right, for those on YouTube too, big shout out to you guys. And I can see you guys are here. Okay, good. Almost everybody can hear me. Nice. So for those on YouTube, say I can't see anything. How now? But we can see you. So drop your location for those on YouTube. We're right now at Fire Pip Studio in Ikota, Lekki. So drop your location. Drop your location. I think you should take off the camera a little bit. Good. Drop your location for those. Okay, Jibrin from Lagos, Kaduna, Lagos, Ilorin, Jos, Nigeria, Ambra, and we have Enugu, Uganda, from Nairobi, Kenya, Enugu, Anambra, Oka, Kenya, Rwanda, Edo, Kano, Ghana. Nice to have you guys on the call. Ireland, Cambridge, Kenya, Washington, D.C., Delta, United States. Wow, nice to have you guys all around here. Good. So today, what I want to be doing is just to trade live with you all. And I'm also going to be sharing some important concepts as regarding trading. This is going to be, hopefully, the way we're going to be doing our Monday live session. So we'll be really working hard on making sure that this is a system that has come to stay. Right now, I'm happy that I and the team, we made this to happen. All right. So let's go. On the screen. Let's talk about Forex. Where's the pen? The pen too. All right. So show me this one. Okay, thank you. Show this screen. It is simple. One concept that you have to know first. Okay, let me tell you guys who I'm with right now. Today I'm going live with Shams. Shams on the call. Please bring Shams in on the call. Take Shams in. Bring Shams live. All right, Shams, how's it going?
It's going on well.
Hope
good afternoon, guys.
Today.
Yeah, no. There's no network problem today. I'm good.
Okay, so Shams, you'll be taking us first on US30. I just want you to, by all means, place a trade right now. Like if someone put a gun to your head right now, place a trade and make profit for us. What will you do? Even if it's Monday, I know you don't trade, but what will you do? That's what I want us to do today, Monday. Touch is going to do the same thing on gold. But you are going to tell us the risk management to take. You're going to the lot size on each respective account. So I want us to, it's a challenge. I want us to be taking trade on Monday for people that trade on Mondays. It's just a challenge I want us to try out. Are you down for that?
Yeah, I'm down for it.
Tochi, how about you? Tochi, come on the live call too. Tochi, I also want you to take trade on gold. Come on. So we have Tochi in the house. So we are going to be going live here together. How's it going? Also, maybe you have to talk on the microphone. Okay, they are going to give you a mic. So you are going to take trade on gold today. If you agree, just nod your head. Since they can't hear you, nod your head. If you agree, you must nod your head. There's nothing like no. If you agree, you must take a trade on gold today. Okay, amazing. All right. So mic him up so he come on. So Shams, you take it away first.
All right.
We're waiting for you to share your screen.
Yes, I'm on the process now.
Okay. All right, Shams' screen is showing. Project it. Powerful.
Can you guys see my chart now? If you can see my chart,
Yes, we can see clearly.
kindly respond. Okay, all right. First and first, we need to understand that we follow the trend. Whenever we want to trade Forex, we follow the trend. Now, what is the trend so far? On US 30, the trend is an overall downtrend. We're on a sell market right now. So what am I anticipating for right now? I'm anticipating on two key zones, which is what this place, which is 2,700, which is my psychological level, and then 32,600, right? Clearly, we can see that the price has broken 32,600. So I'm expecting this price to pull up toward the next psychological level, which is 32,700. Why am I expecting this zone now? Why am I expecting this zone? It's because what? Guess what? A fib level here. There's a psychological level. There's a fib level here. So what I am going to do now, if I'm to trade right now, is to buy. At this point now, I'm going to buy. What will be my stop loss? I will be risking 50 pips because right now the market is on psychological level. So 50 pips below this zone, that is when I will enter right now. If you want to trade right now, you can pick this buy right now, right? You can pick a buy right now, and then our stop loss will be immediately below. My screen just go off. Good. My screen just go off. So this will be my analysis for the day right now. Just a sec. So right now I'm in. Anybody that want to take this trade should take it, because a first entry here. This should be my second entry, 600. Risking how many pips now? 50 pips only. Because you know that US 30 is very volatile. You risk 9% of your. Let me. I'm in already, and my stop loss is what? 32,000, 32,557, 32,557. So we expect what? A pull up to this zone, right? Which is 0.5% of the trend. Then what? Continuation. But right now, you know that this that we're taking is more like a scalp on a buy, rather the trend I want to take. So that is what I am seeing on US 30 at the moment. Yes. Okay. So what I'm trying to let you guys understand, I am trying to let you guys understand and we expect a pull up to the next side to the next zone here. And this place is what 0.5, right? And this will be what a demand area turn supply. So we expect once it reaches this downtrend, the overall trend is a downtrend. So why am I in this buy? Just a scout, because I am certain that New York section is yet to open. So New York section should pull that if you take the trade, you should one. So any question, right? CNBC also confirmed the buy. So that already, I wish I can show you. Yeah, 10,000, $15 profit already. So you can take the buy. This is a clear setup, please. You can take the buy. So basically, that is what I am seeing on US 30 at the moment. And yes, that is what I am seeing on US 30 right now. So if you have any question for me, you can go ahead and ask me. Good. Okay. Any question for me? Any question for me? I'm with you. Any question for me? I'm already on this setup already. Yeah. Okay, I think there's no. Okay, please, Jeff, are you on a Facebook? Yes, we're on a Facebook, but there are so many pages that are being opened by scammers, please. So you should be wary of the real one. Okay. Someone said, why am I taking the trade since the overall trend is a downtrend? You can clearly see that it has break our 0.38. So we expect it to head on 0.5 before dropping. US 30. Someone said, what's the pay I'm analyzing? US 30. What's the TP? TP should be on the next psychological level, which is 32,700. Yeah. Why am I buying when the overall trend is a sell, a bearish? I am scalping. Can I trade US 30 with $20 account? Yes, you can, depend on the broker you're using. What's my estimated pips? It's 100 pips, please, because the next psychological level is 100 pips. Which pay was I talking about? I am talking about US 30. Shams, what did you see before buying? Price has break our 0.38. So we expect price to head on 0.5, which is on our fib level. Okay. People keep asking, can I trade US 30 with $20? Yes, you can, please. Which broker is highly recommended? You can use Quackle. Yep. So from where I take this trade, our stop loss should be 32,546. 32,546. We're risking 50 pips on this. 1:1.5. 1:2.5, sorry. We're risking 50 pips. We're targeting 150 pips, please. Someone said I should talk about stacking. US 30 is very volatile, so for now we don't stack anyhow. What time frame am I trading it on? 15-minute time frame. Yeah. Okay, someone said You cannot see US30 in your code. It's simple. You can search for DGI USD. Okay, how can I add US30 on XNet? You just search for US30. Go to add currency, search for US30. You're going to see US30 there, and then you click on it. Other brokers, it may be appearing as DGI USD. Someone said 50 pips is too over. No, it's not. US30 is very volatile, so you don't want to use a tight stop loss, please. Okay. My 15-minute time frame is just for my entries only, right? Let me reshare my screen again to show you something. Let me reshare my screen again. Just a minute. Let me show you what I saw that make me take the trade. What is the best leverage for a 1K account? The best leverage for a 1K account, I will advise you go with 1 to ratio 500. Now, this is what I saw that made me take this trade. I guess my screen is showing now, right? Good. Oh no, this is not showing my screen. I'm coming. Share screen. Share screen. Entire screen. Okay. This is my screen, please. Now, this is what I am seeing on US30 that makes me take this word buy. You see, this very pink line I put here is 0.5.3. This tick zone is 0.3. So now this means that what? If price now come to this place and what break this zone, which is that 2,600, it's a clear sign that it has nullified our 0.3 fib level. The next target should be this, which is there's a psychological level here, 0.7, right? So I am expecting what this price, I am expecting this price to reject this word psychological level, which is 1,700. And then on this psychological level, there's what we call what fib level, which is 0.5 overall down. But since you can clearly see that it has break out 0.38, so we expect a pull-up. We expect a pull-up to the next zone, which is here, before we're dropping. That is why I said that 50 pips below this psychological level, then target what? The next psychological level. That is exactly what I am seeing. How then can you know how to draw fib level? We have two here. We have two here, this one and this one. Now let's walk you through with the word how to draw it. We pick it, we drag it to the recent high. You have to zoom it so that you will actually see what I'm seeing. Now, then U5 is on my 0.38. So I'm going to bring it down to the recent low. that at this the zone already expect the world market to pull up vertical level, and on the next level, which is the to is do buy. Ask me that what is still you know on Quackle US 30 on Quackle is called DGI USD. DGI USD on Quackle. Yes, DGI USD. What is FIB level? It's called Fibonacci. Fibonacci, right? And Fibonacci is a key zone whereby we expect market to stop retracing and continue to the overall direction. Yeah. Okay, I can see so many questions. I'm going in for a sell, but not now. I'm going in for a sell, but not now, please. Yes. Yes, if you do your word analysis or back testing, you will discover that major movement on US 30 happens on what psychological level. Someone said take profit is what the next psychological level. Yep. Which is 32,700. Out of 10 movement, price always would move 8 out of 10. It happens on psychological level, not 100%, right? Not all movement is always on psychological level, please. Yeah, already if you take this trade, we're already in what profit. So what I always do is to always adjust my stop loss. Adjust my stop loss, right? I always do that because of what volatility. And you need to understand that we are scalping. We are scalping now. Okay.
Shams, can you hear me?
I can see so many questions for me, Abby.
Shams, can you hear me now?
Clearly, I can hear you.
Okay, powerful. Shams can hear me clearly. All right. And okay, so it might take longer than usual today because today we are trying to pick a trade. Sorry, guys, our system is not so perfect yet. We're still trying to make sure we perfect it here. Okay. So, Shams, have you been able to take a trade, and how's the trade going so far?
We're now on board drawdown now.
You're on a drawdown. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Are you trying to buy or you're selling?
No, I'm buying. I'm buying now because it has break our word key zone. So I'm buying for now.
Okay.
Someone said, am I using a top-down analysis? Yes, today is Monday. You have to do your top-down analysis every Monday, right?
So this. Oh, Shams is trying to buy here, right? Okay, okay. Buy trade on yes, 30. What did he see? Okay. All right. While we are waiting, there's a stop loss, right? There's a stop loss point. There's a stop loss point. There's take profit point to yeah.
Everything is intact. I've given them the stop loss is 3. We've adjusted our stop loss already, right? We've tightened it,
Yeah.
which is 32,558. Stop loss is 32,558, please.
Okay. All right. So you just stay on. Stay on. Let me take them on GBP for those guys that take signals on GBP. All right.
All right.
How do you intend to keep communicating the trade management to them?
Okay, because I have a class in the next 30 minutes right now. So since it's going to take longer than usual, I would communicate everything through you, then you update them.
Okay. All right. No problem. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let me take it from here. What about touch his mic? Okay. So Shams, thank you. So I'm sure you guys definitely you come out profitable on that, whether you guys like it or not. But everything depends on trade management. Since you have said that you should buy at this point, although I trust Shams' analysis, I'm sure it definitely will play out just as he has said. All right, hold your stop loss strongly, hold your take profit strongly. Don't try to over leverage. The losses you have told you guys to use, that's what you should use. So you shouldn't be trying to play too smart because it's Monday. Just follow the exact plan so that other people don't start making profit while while your account is already blown. All right. So let's go to GBPUSD now. Give me this screen. So first, I want to switch my chart to GBPUSD, which is where I want to do my analysis on, and then we'll get to take a trade. First, if you are new to this live session, please kindly hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning guy, please just like this video so that it can be recommended to as many people that also want to be joining us every Mondays to trade live for free. All right. So just if you even have no reason to like, just like it for the culture. All right. Thank you. So first, one thing you guys know about trading first. Somebody say money pair. Okay. Nice. Okay, good. Someone is saying, Jeffrey, make a video on multiple time frame analysis. Someone else is saying, Jeffrey, make a video like for the culture. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you for liking for the culture. Okay. First, one thing you guys have to understand about trading is not as hard as it seems. It is simple, but it is not easy. That's how I love to put it. What I mean by it is simple is that you can actually learn the concept in about 1 month, and the only thing that is a lot more difficult is you learning yourself, mastery of your psychology, mastery. When I mean psychology, the fear, greed, the emotional part of trading. Can people on Zoom hear me? Can you allow someone to unmute? Let them give me feedback. Can you hear me clearly? Zoom can hear me. Okay, powerful. And they can see all the screen, everything. They can see them. Okay, good. So the first thing you have to do, what I mean by is simple to do, is go on your app store and download MetaTrader 4. Zoom this app in for them. Camera. Download MetaTrader 4. All right? Or download the MetaTrader 5. All right? So when you download this app, you are half as good as already understanding trading. Then the next thing you want to do is go to the link in the description of this video and click and sign up with the brokerage link that is there. So you probably will see XNES right there. So you just go on there and click on, where can I get that link? Where can I get that link? Where can I get that link? Can you copy that link for me and paste it for me on WhatsApp? Or you can just go to like xnext.com or xnext.com. Do like xnext. This is your brokerage account that you need to connect to your MT4. It is very important to have a broker. So it's not only XNES that's available. We have XNES, we have Quaco Market. There are other ones, OctaFX. There are a lot of them that you can actually use. All right. So, but for the sake of this example, we can just use xnext.com. Go ahead and create a demo account for this live trading. So maybe next week when you're coming back, you come in with a small live account, maybe like $10, $100, just to test how well it works, all right? That is what this class is meant for. All right. So once you come on here, go up and just sign up. It's pretty simple, just like the same way you're signing up for your account and all of that. So let's talk about trading now, actual trading. And then for you to get on here, you need to just go to tradingview.com. Click this link and paste for them. This link, paste it for them. All right, just go on type tradingview.com, show it to them. All right. How can I make this one to go away now? All right. So the first concept that you guys want to learn here today that will make you to that will decide whether I'm going to be going long or be going short is simple. All right. The concept is really straightforward. High low of the week is the first thing. High low of the week is the first horizontal line. So I'm just going to drop this in random place. And then I'm going to look for a round-up number. Right now it's 1.212 that's currently there. So I'm just going to long hold on it. And then I'll click on Or I can just click on this setting. Okay, coordinates. I like you to still try to mic up Tochi because it must come on. 150. I don't want to ask so much because I just want us to catch the move. I know that's why some of you are here right now, right? Just to catch the move with me. How many of you made profit last week? How many of you made profit last week? And how much did you guys make? Because that trade was that last week trade was a banger. I had someone messaging me saying, Jeff, I've made the most amount of money I've ever made in Forex through that signal that I gave. I never knew in law of you trade on Monday, even after I wanted not to trade on Monday. Okay. So I've had just 2 psychological levels. This is what is important right now. Let me just do the hand law of the week. So the concept of the hand law of the week is only done in 4-hour time frame. So it's such that you concentrate on the first 2 candles to form for the beginning of this week. So now that I'm concentrated on these 2 candles, I think the 2 candles should be just hold on. Today we're all learning each other. I'm learning this board. People are learning from me. Everybody just learning. Attack on this one. Go turn on separation. This is the first candle. How does this thing like to? All right, so the green line supposed to appear. So we have 1, 2. So this happens to be the high, the lowest. This down point happens to be the lowest of the week. We always look at it for the first 2 candles. All right. So this happens to be the low of the week, this candle at this bottom, and then this also happens to be the highest. So I'm going to bring these 2 right now, horizontal ray. So I'm going to map it so that I start from here, the highest, and then this is going to be the lowest. So usually we look out for the first 2 candles, candle 1 and candle 2. So this is how hand law of the week is done. So you're going to first go to your settings and you go to event trading. So you have to make sure you have this broken line on. So this tells you where the next day starts. So from this, after this broken dotted line, this is candle 1, this is candle 2. All right. I think this is the best place to actually teach this hand law of the week. So I'm going to take up these 2 right now. Take up these 2. I'm going to mark the highest. Take these 2 again. Okay. There are 2 now that I need to play around. So I have this one on the low of the week. All right, I have this other one. Can you just move? I have this other one right here. Don't worry, it will make sense soon. All right. So if price breaks above this upper line, that means you are in on an uptrend. If price breaks above this upper one, we are in is an uptrend. We are going to be doing more buys. If price break below this one, we're going to do more sells. And then this one is buys. All right, these are the 2 points. So now, how do you know that there's a price? There's a price difference. There's a price break. First, we already have this one breakout at this point. All right, the body have to go beneath this blue line, and this has already happened. So hence, we are in on a downtrend, right? But then there's an exception rule that keeps our minds open. That Jeff, don't be so fast. It shows that we should be doing more of sales for the week, but then if it's not more than 50 pips to the downside, the body of the whole all the candles in total, if it's not up to 50 pips to the downside, you still can keep an open mind because it still can reverse. It might just be like a fake out that is happening here. So we are keeping this one as a fake out that is happening here. So it is still indecisive. It's neither a sell nor a buy. So this is why we don't trade on Monday. Most times on Monday, you use this whole time to decide the directional move, directional bias. You use this whole time to decide the directional bias. So this is why it's important you don't trade on Monday. But because I really want us to place trade right now, I want you guys to make profit. That's why I'll be trying as much as possible for us to take a trade. Hopefully it goes in our favor. All right, but don't worry, definitely will do well. Definitely will do well. All right, now let's go. So since I've done the concept of high and low of the week, I've also done the psychological level. The next thing is I want to go on 1 hour time frame to determine trend. All right, this is one of my favorite things to always do, and one of the most important things to do with trading, trend determination. So whenever you are determining trend, you want to make sure you shrink your chart as much as you can, so you can see far to your left hand side, and then you'll be able to make a better decision. Determining trend, this one also comes with the help of a trend line. So with trend line will let me know, okay, this is where we're expected to land, this is where we are coming from, and this is what is currently happening right now in the Forex market. So I'm still trying to shrink a lot more. Better. So we have a peak right here. In drawing the trend line, we have a peak right here. This is a peak. I want the trend line to connect there. I will also touch somewhere around here. That's a peak, and then these are peaks too. So the best thing is for me to just come on here, tap from here. It's on 4 hour time frame, right? Yeah, it's on 4 hours. So it's touching one. It's touching point one. Point number one. Point number two. Point number three. Value trend line. So we are in on a downtrend. So on 4 hour time frame, GBPUSD is dropping, right? Good. So let's go on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, what we want to do is just determine the current trend. The current trend on 1 hour time frame obviously will be looking like a sell too, right? So prior to this time, we've had somewhat like trend line. This is a trend line. There's a trend line placed here. Trend line. This is a counter trend line rather. Counter trend line. And we've also had a counter trend line here before. Almost like a counter trend line inside of this place. Something like that. But then we're not looking for counter trend lines. We're looking for main trend lines. And there's also another trend line again inside here. So a trend line starts from where the previous one stopped. So you see, it stopped touching right here. Then another one starts from inside to touch the new high, which is this one is the new high. All right. So let's take it to the smaller time frame so that you guys can better see why we are going to be taking this decision now. So the smaller time frame I'm going to be talking about now is 15 minutes time frame. This is what you look out for every day. Every day. So you don't have to change. Even when you're trading bigger capital, you are scaling up. You are doing bigger stuff. There's not the only thing you do whenever you are doing bigger stuff is risk management. Or you just have to focus a lot more. The same way you trade small accounts is almost similar to how you trade bigger accounts. Just the mindset that will not be different at that level. All right, so from here now, the screen is lagging. So you start from here again. Start here. And then we readjust. It is here. Is it showing like a ray? Okay, it's the setting of this trend line. Hold on, let me try to set this thing. And that's one. Okay. I think I don't know. Is this setting? This trend line is supposed to come on here, and then this one is supposed to stay here. Yeah, somewhere like this. Good, good. So now let's zoom on in. Let's make a decision. So all we need to take a trade is these three key things. Simple. We need psychological level to be present, or we need trend line, and we need chart pattern, and then we just need what other thing? Psychological level or trend line, chart pattern, high and low of the week. That's what we need. Right now, we're about to take a trade. Are you guys ready to take a trade now? Let's make it count. So all I'm just going to do is to pop up my phone this way, go to my MetaTrader 4 application. Then since we take a trade right now, because that's the concept I want us to do on every Monday, I want to make sure that we are taking trade live. I want us to take a short trade. But however, if this candle pops up like half of the body of this point, okay, we want a short trade from here. So this will be your entry. So as a matter of fact, you can even go in for a sell right now. You can go in for a sell. So I wouldn't want us to do too much. I want us to catch from there to this point. That would be about 30 pips that we are catching. Then our stop is going to be 14 pips. I mean, this is a very nice marginal trade, 14 pips. So why did I call this trade now? So of the opinion that price will reverse from here. So short now, guys, short. What am I short? Sell. Sell now. So if you are selling right now, you sell right here. Sell. Sell now, now. What loss I should like? That'll be the next one. If you are selling right now, that is, you want to take profit here. This will be your take profit. So your take profit will be 1.21001. This will be your take profit. Then your stop loss will be 1.21451. This will be your stop loss, SL. All right. Then this will be your entry point. Your entry point, your entry should be around 1.21305. That will be your entry point zone. All right. Let me see the next question that's coming on. You can bring on camera now. Which one? What's the question coming on? Okay. Okay, good. So the next position size now, the next is going to be position size calculator. Show me the screen. People on Zoom, are they catching it? Let me. Okay, okay, the Zoom guys, can you guys hear me clearly? Do you guys catch the cell? Are you already in on the cell? This network needs to be refreshed, right? This is not the live chart. Price already going down. How do I do this? Just to refresh. Are you sure? No, that's not the problem. It's network. Okay, better. So just should be already be in. So let me discuss about position size calculator. Okay, people on Zoom, can you just unmute one person? Unmute. If you want to say something on Zoom, just kindly raise your hand and say something. Raise your hand. Maybe you want to ask question. Why is he a sell or something? Someone there? If you want to say something, just raise your hand. Yeah, good afternoon. Can you hear me clearly? Yeah, I can hear you, Kosiso. Chukwu. Oh, okay. Okay, from my end. Okay, that's what is on your screen now. It's what's in your screen. Check. The stop loss is 1.21451. Show this 451. Can you see the screen? Can you see your screen? This is and TP. You name 1 year, just tell you TP. Oh yeah, TP is 1.21001. This is TP. 1.21001. This one is TP. It's cracking. Okay. Oh yeah, no. And this is your stop loss, yes. All right, now let's talk about position size calculator before people go way overboard on this signal. So on the position size calculator, you want to come on here. You want to click on here, position size calculator, the baby pips one, anyone, or fire pip one, which is about to be launched pretty soon. So let's say, for example, you have an account of what account size do you guys want me to do example with? What account size do you have? What account size do you have? What account size do you guys have? Tell me the account size you have. $100. Tell me your account size. Let's do an example. What account size you have? Let's use you as an example since you spoke. What account size you have? Oh, some people are already saying $1,000, $5,000. Okay. $300 account. Okay, he said $300. Okay, let's go ahead and do $300. Kosachuku said he has $300. Okay, good. So you have $300. So on this $300, how much do you think? How much you want to risk? How much percentage you want to put at risk? But I'll advise you. I'll advise you to do 5% because it's just $300. Now you're risking 14 pips as a stop loss. Then the pair you trading is on GBPUSD. Second one, you just click on calculate. That is the loss that you're supposed to use. So if this trade whipsaw against you, you'll be losing $15. All right. If it whipsaw, like if this trade go against you, you'll be losing $15. This is how much you'll be at risk. This is the loss size you're supposed to use on your MT4, MT5. Just go ahead and do 0.10. All right. This is your lot size. And then this is amount at risk. This one is amount at risk. If it whipsaw against you, risk 5% because it's a $300 account. All right. Fine. So copy this link and paste to them on the group. Copy this link to and paste to them so that anybody that have a different amount can just infuse it. So I see someone else here on the screen. He said he has $500 account. If you're on $500 account, risk about 5%. Risk 5%. The same principle applies. So I'm just going to change this whole thing. No, 5. Risk 5%. Kosiso. Mute Kosiso. Kosiso want to risk 10% and head in. So if you're on a $500 account, go ahead and risk this one. That's the problem. We'll teach you one, or go do the one we're doing in our mind. The trading is not sporty. The way I've already told you guys that, the way I've already told you, go ahead and. So trading is not like other ventures like sporty or just that people see there. It's not. It's a business. There are even professionals who request that, okay, you give me 7% annually, give me 10% annually. Professionals that really have big money on, that have good tangible sum. There's going to be news. Okay. What time? You don't know yet? Okay, 9 minutes from now. Okay, no problem. We're not scared of news. Okay, so they'll ask you to give them a very decent amount of profit. It's not, investors are not the one that ask you to, oh yeah, how much will you give me monthly? These are not investors, though. These are hungry people. they think that they can actually give you some money and then they diversify and they bring them money every month. They think that's how multiple stream of income work. It's not. That's just the truth. They are maybe they just hear about investment. They don't really know how it works. Okay, investors first, they are more concerned about the money they give to you. They are more concerned about the money they give to you. Hope you're not going to lose my money. That's their first focus. So since they know that the more pressure they put on you, the more chances are that you lose their capital. So the best thing they want to do is they'll ask you, I'm not asking you for too much, just produce some amount of money in this long period of time. And they're always looking out for long term. They're looking at long term. So they don't always look out for they're giving me 30% every month. When it's not MMM. It doesn't work that way. So they always tell you a fixed amount of money or whatever amount of money you're able to generate in a certain period of time. And you guys get to share in terms of percentage. So don't put so much pressure. Look at yourself as that investor. So it happened in this case, you're the investor, you're the trader. Look at yourself as that investor. If you want more money, pour more money into your brokerage account, and then you go to trade and make some tangible sum of return. So if you have a $500 account, make sure amount at risk is going to be you risk 5%, amount at risk is going to be $25, and then the loss you have to impute to get these figures is going to be 0.17 lot size. All right. So for those who are not in on the trade yet, it's still a very good time for you to go in on the trade. Just do a sell trade, put your stop loss right there. I already know the amount of money that you are putting into risk. The link to the position size calculator is going to be infused on the what's it called? On the description box. You're going to add it to the description. Somebody said $30. What about $30? $5,000, $100, $30. Okay, let's do the one of $30. I like people that are humble, so let me go with $30 first. $30. So my humble guys who have $30 account, this is what you have to do. $30 risk 25% of your account. You have nothing to lose, man. 25% of your account, $30 for 10 pips. So you're going to do 0.05. If you will sell against you, you're risking 7.5. That's what you're going to be risking. All right? 7.5. For those who are on $30. Who else? What is it? Buy or sell? We are selling. Okay. Let's take some questions from Zoom. Can YouTube hear the Zoom guys whenever they're talking? You're not sure? Okay. Okay, so let's take some questions. Type some questions out. Let me read it out and then I get to answer. Type it out. Okay, someone just nick trades. So my brother just invested $100 with me. Please, how do I manage it? Thanks. Good. So for you to be collecting investment, that goes to show that you already know your onions. We're not going to be talking about strategy because you already have that figured. You're not going to be talking about what's it called now? Your entry, exit. We already have that figured for you to be collecting investment. I understand the best way for you to start investment is with your family. I'm happy that it's your brother. If you lose the money, he won't kill you. And I'm also happy that it's $100. $100 is something that $100 is something that somebody your mom can easily rescue you from your brother's hand. Unlike people that collect money that even their village people will deny you, say this one we can't help you. You understand? So it's just $100. What you have to do now is to focus on proper risk management. On that account, first, make sure, okay, since your brother is just like informal agreement, right? Yeah, this is your brother. Make sure you don't promise him any percentage. Be transparent. Give him the password. Let him see all the buying and selling that you have there, right? And any profits you get to make, people share it in form of percentage. Starting out, you can just tell him 50-50. If I'm able to make $50, you take $25, I take $25. That would be a more fair way to want to deal with that. And the next thing is, while you are trading, do not go beyond 0.02, 0.02 on this account, because you are not looking to want to get rich all at once with this $100 account. Let's say, for example, on this trade now, you're about to go in on this trade. For example, you're going on this trade with $100. All right. Since it's not your money, they gave you the money that they give you to hold. So do $10, do 10%, and then 10%. Click on calculate. Ha! This is saying you use 0.0. Don't do it too. Let's drop it to 5%. If it's 5%, yeah, do 0.03 divided by 3. So you start doing 0.01, 0.01. So if you go against you in 3 places, you'll be losing $5. So the next question you have to ask yourself, am I willing to risk this $5? Someone is still talking. Is somebody that is on mute from Zoom? So amount at risk is going to be $5. All right. So this is what you're going to use as your lot size, 0.03 in total. So if you think you want to take more risk, you can increase it too. So the best advice is be transparent with your brother. Don't try to play smart and tell him, oh, don't worry, I'll be giving you 30% every month. If you do that, that will be unnecessary pressure that you'll be mounting on yourself. All right? Okay. Just bring in your question, guys. What is the best leverage for a 1K account? This is from Apacino. All right. 1K account is relatively a small account too. All right. So use a leverage of 1 to 1,000. Use a leverage of 1 to 1,000. What is leverage? Leverage is the amount of money that your broker borrows to you to do business for the time being. So if you have your balance at $1,000, all right, then that means that with leverage of 1 to 1, this simply means for every $1 you bring, the broker is going to times it with $1 for you. They're going to give you this much, this X, 1X. So if you choose a leverage of 1 to 100, so that means every $1 you bring, the broker is going to bring 100X. Do you understand? So if you have a 1,000 and you choose a leverage of 1 to 1, that simply means your money is $1,000. Your buying capacity is $1,000. If you have a $1,000 account, you choose a leverage of 1 to 100, then your buying capacity is 100x. That is, it's going to be 1,000 by 100. Right? It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's going to be 1 million. Right? So it's going to be 1 million buying capacity, 1M buying capacity. All right. So what is buying capacity? There's also called units while trading. Units. And at least you can even see units here. You can see units here. So if you are placing a trade, for example, on GBP USD, you are doing buy GBP USD with one standard lot size. For you to be placing one standard lot size, the amount of units you need 100,000 of base currency. So base currency in GBP USD is going to be GBP. It's GBP. So you need 100,000 of pound. All right, to be able to place this much. So if you do not fund up to $100,000 account where you're not using leverage, you'll not be able to place one standard. But if you fund $100 and use a leverage of 1 to 1,000, you still be able to place one standard lot size, even though your account balance is not up to that. So that money that is at the back, that spiritual money, is what we call leverage. So the money that allows you to place that amount of trade is what we call leverage. So everything is mentioned in form of units. So that's just a quick explanation I can give to leverage. So you now understand. So to simply put, the smaller the leverage, the smaller your account balance, the bigger you should select your leverage. If your account balance is big, select smaller leverage. That's how you notice that with FTMO, Consummate, every proprietary firm, they say they have a leverage of 1 to 100. Why? They are giving you a huge sum, which is $100,000 account. They say, okay, I'm giving you 1 to 100. Some people have 1 to 50 on a more which one that's the Express account, Express Pro account. That's 1 to 50, smaller leverage because they don't want to risk so much of their money. So these are the two important things to note about leverage. All right. What other thing do we have? Another question. Oh, someone said stop loss hit. Let me check. Let's check again. Show the screen. Show this one. Okay, thank you. Wow, stop loss successfully kissed. So what we can do now, yeah, we have to wait for another opportunity. Let's wait for another opportunity. Let me close out this one. Stop loss taking. Let's shrink it. I don't want to leave it so that we go to remember the losses. We're going to take another opportunity pretty soon. All right. So does that mean that we're going to be doing more buys now? Not so fast. Okay. It's looking like we are breaking to the upside for buys because of this aggressive candle that closed this way. Because of this candle. All right. So anytime that we see a slight pullback, we want to go long. But for this trade this week, we had a stop loss kissed right there. Don't worry, we're going to take another opportunity. But one very cool thing about this trade is we only risk 14 pips or even less. So if you're risking 14 pips, that should put you. That's why positions as calculator is also very important. So if you're risking 14 pips, as I have said, we call that calculation. If I go on 15 minutes time frame, let me tap on this. Risking 14 pips as a fantastic trader, you shouldn't be. Nothing should shake you with this 14 pips stop. It's just 14 pips. 14 pips stop loss, 14.6. That's what we have there. Some people even had a closer entry right there. But don't worry, don't get in yet. It's tempting. It's looking like it's going to go short again, but then don't get in yet. Just hold on. All right. We'll look for an opportunity pretty soon. Let me take some more question again while this trade is setting up. Don't worry. You know, if we're doing back testing, sometimes we even hit stop loss while we are back testing. But one thing is always sure. It depend on the number of trades we take and the quality of risk to the reward that we catch. So imagine we are risking 14 pips here, but we are looking to catch 30 pips. That's 1 to 2. Even though we are 50% of the time in 100, let's say we are wrong out of 50 trades from 100 trades, we still be positive at the end of the day. All right, because 1 to 2 risk to the reward will be positive 50 pips or 50% of the time. All right. So let this one play out. Let's take some more questions. We'll begin. You guys should be used to stop loss at this point already. Okay, which time frame is best for trading? This one is from somebody said lost $16. Good risk management. This is from King Grashi. Okay, good. I love that. Things I love to see. Is leverage real money or just numbers for brokers to make swap money? No. It's actually real money. It's real money. If not, you won't be able to access this huge amount of lot size. There's one question I saw right now. Can a 15-year-old boy make money from trading? Yes, you can. With analysis, you can. Obviously, you can. If you're anybody, then it's not legal for you to open a brokerage account. You need like an adult to open an account for you, to guide you. Somebody said, I'm in profit. How? When we all everybody took stop loss, you're saying you're in profit. How manage? Okay, US 30 is in profit. Oh, I just got that US 30 is in profit. So Shams analysis is in profit, which is let's get that US 30. These are these people can convince people in group. Oh. Everybody's lamenting stop trading, saying it's in profit. They just come from nowhere. No, this is not in profit. It's back down. Did you just shoot down? Someone what? Okay, somebody said US 30 profit. Okay. But this profit will be more than this pretty soon. Let me go back to GPSC. Let me check. Something is retracing. Okay, nice. Okay, good. Let's take some more questions. Somebody said, go to YouTube, you see 16-year-old trading. Yeah. How to connect broker to MT5? How to connect broker to MT5? I don't know now. That was a long topic. We get to do that on maybe beginners, but I've done that video. Check my YouTube channel here. You watch a lot on that. All right. So, Tochi, are you ready? You ready? All right. So, come on the screen. Show the screen. So let Tochi come and talk on gold while we wait for new opportunity on GBP real quick. Oh, good. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone can hear me loud and clear. Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay. No. I want to use this in Wanda. That's the one I'm actually using, yeah. Great. So let's do a quick one on gold, yeah. Let's do a quick one. Let's increase the screen. Let's go to the bigger time frame. Let's see the long-term view first before we determine what we should be looking out for. Well, let me clean this chart. I think everything is messed up. Okay. Points where I know that, okay, if gold should break off this spot, where should it be headed to next, right? So now let's plot those points out. I'll use the horizontal array for the weekly time frame first. I'll mark out this high here. Okay, I think I need to drag this one first. Okay, how do I drag this to this spot? Yeah, so
That's the first spot here. Let me reduce it a bit. Let's just leave it there. Let's leave it there. And now let me plot the low. Still that horizontally. So good. I've tested this spot. Oh, um, it's not working. This particular low, and that's why it started buying from that particular spot. So if it finally hits here, where will the retracement stop? So that's what I'm using the weekly time frame to do, just to determine my long-term view, right? So the next spot is around this area. Let's drag it to that spot. Okay. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Why is it not responding? Okay. So now this is the daily time frame. This is where the market is currently at, almost to that particular spot, that high there. So I would adjust this one to fit, following this pattern I'm seeing here. This way to, according to this pattern, where one candlestick causes a retracement, it always stops at the low and not the top itself. So that one is being plotted out. So let's see other one again. Another one I'm seeing from the daily time frame. Don't mind me. Let me just use trend line so that we can know the time frame each of these lines are coming from. Um, I think this screen will be somehow tempting. Okay. Okay. Write the time frame. Text. Think this from the daily. Okay. Okay. So like this, we can know the time frame where it's coming from. This is from the daily time frame. So now let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So it's more like a top-down analysis actually. Let's see what's happening from the smaller time frame. Okay. This is the zone we draw out from the daily time frame, right? This is currently on the 4 hours time frame. Let me see. Okay, good, has not touched that spot yet. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. Wow, don't mind me, guys. I'm just using the screen for the first time, so it will be somehow confusing for me. Yeah. Plot this high. So what I'm doing is now for the 4 hours and 1 hour, I use them to determine spots like entry spots, points that I know if the market should hit, I should be looking either to buy or sell, right? So that's just it here. But I'm still expecting gold to buy to this particular spot. This is where I'm still expecting gold to get to before any retracement, before any huge drop. You understand? Before any huge drop, right? So now this is from 4 hours. It's this own high, yeah. Okay. So let's see. Let's go to 1 hour real quick, real quick. So the setup that I'm looking at might not. Okay. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's this where gold is currently at. So if gold breaks above here, then it will buy straight off to this particular spot. But it's still in between now. So let me put it low for the 4 hours too. So I would be able to maximize every move that the market might create. So in case I'm not like live with you guys, if you see it happening, you'll be able to take the trade too. You get all those long-term trade. Okay. Um, let's see. The aim is to see a good setup now so that I would make money from it. Yeah. Let's go. Let's string the chart together and see what's happening on gold. Yeah, now it's clear now. Clear. Okay. Let's see. Great. Let me cut for both the wicks and the body of the candle so as to get some touch. Great. Okay. Amazing. Don't worry, it might not be perfect. Just keep replicating it on your own chart too. You get. So I'm seeing another entry point here because I'm expecting this market to reverse back down, and this is where would be a perfect entry for this buy to this particular spot, right? This is it here. Where is it? Let's drag it. Yeah, this is it here. Let me drag it to this trend line. It's not that straight, but you can still manage it. Okay, so I would wait. Let me use this two here. Let's wait for this spot here. Then long-term view, this level here, and stop loss below this zone here. So this is what I'm still expecting gold to do actually. A retracement to the downside first before I continue that buy to the upside. While at the same time, I would look for confirmation of this zone, right? Like an entry confirmation, you get an entry confirmation of this particular spots too. So let's go to the 15 minutes. Let's see what's happening too. So the only now let me tell you guys something. Let me show you something too. So as to be able to maximize any move that happens from here now, you get. I'm on a smaller time frame, that's why it's a bit noisy. So now let's go to the 5 minutes. So this market, this buy totally will be invalid if this market takes out this low. Remember the concept of a trend, right? The concept following the trend. In an uptrend, market is not supposed to be taking out lows, right? You already know that in an uptrend, market are not supposed to be taking out the price is not supposed to be taking out the low. So currently, I'm still waiting for gold to come to this spot for me to continue to the buy side, right? What I'll wait for is something like this because the market is still a bit above it. So I'm expecting it to at least hit here before that market drops. This particular spot, you understand, before it drops, right? This is what I'm expecting. Let me use which two, not here. There's a particular tool I'm looking out for to use to show you guys this thing. It's here, it's supposed to be here. Okay, let me just use this one. So what I'm expecting, if market should whoa, this, let me just delete it. Let me use the trend line instead. So what I'm still expecting gold to do is, I don't know why it's behaving. Thing is lagging. No, that's all right. Okay, yes, to write on it. This one. Okay. So guys, this is what I'm still expecting gold to do. Push up a bit, then come back to this particular spot. Now, once it comes to this particular spot, you need to pay attention to the candlestick pattern that prints here. It doesn't mean, okay, since he's expecting a buy here, once market just coming to that particular point, I should start buying, right? No, what you should wait for is the normal pattern we do look out for on GBPUSD, right? But this time around, it's a bit different. So now this is what I'll be looking out for. Let me, okay, this something like this, a push to this upside, a retracement to this entry spot, then wait for market to push up first because this how market moves. It moves in wave format, something like this. You understand? This is how an option looks like. You understand? Higher highs, higher lows. You understand? So what you should wait for is for it to first of all create this thing, a low at this particular entry point, push up a bit. You understand? Then comes in. Then you mark out the neckline, right? This is more like a conservative entry. Mark out the neckline. Once a candlestick, any candlestick that breaks out and close with a full body, then the entry will be on the second candle and stop loss below that candle that breaks it or below this low. You understand? For us to continue to the upside. You understand? Sorry, this thing is on. So that's what I'm still expecting gold to do. Let me delete this one. Okay. Let's delete this. So meanwhile, this is what I'm still expecting on gold. A continuation to the upside. Continuation to the upside. Till it hit this spot before I start, okay, it's time to sell. You understand? But for now, this is the setup. So we are still waiting to see what gold will do now. Because I'm expecting it to get first to this point. You understand? Before a retracement. Let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. So the entry is mainly on the 15 and 5-minute time frame. So even if it buys to this spot, maybe at this spot, that's where the retracement will start coming down from. You understand? So this is more like the entry spot for the buy to continue to the upside. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, Tichi.
Like,
We live now. Okay, good. Turn to the camera. Just imagine we got taken out and then market is reversing, but then don't trust this. I don't trust this sell too either. So the best thing right now is to buy. Let's try one more thing. We tried this one today. One must win. All right. So I want to try to scalp the buy on GBPUSD. So Tochi is done. Okay, so Tochi is saying that when you get to this point, you should long. But me now, I want us to buy now. Oh, yeah, let's do fast buy. Quick finger. This will be the last signal now, and then I'm out. Okay, I'll just drop it here. Quick buy, quick buy, quick buy. The sharp scalp. Oh, since we said it did not sell, now let's buy now. Now I'm just joking. Now, let me tell you the reason why I'm buying. It's not like that. So the reason why I want us to buy right now. Remember, I said since we have an aggressive flash to the upside, since we have an aggressive flash to the upside, so it's most likely that this week we are probably going to be having Like okay, hold on. I just saw something. Okay. So I said since we have an aggressive flash to the upside, this can do on 15 minutes time frame. And then remember our stop was somewhere around here. Our stop was somewhere around here, a little bit higher. Yeah, it was exactly here. So God taking out about say 2 pip or 1 pip. I don't know the measurement of that. Maybe 1 or 2 pip. All right. So I'm thinking that this pattern was supposed to be like an M pattern, which is on. But then all of a sudden, I'm seeing that it whips up. I want to take it out. So if this was going to stand, we shouldn't have been having. If this was going to stand, we shouldn't have had that first takeout. So that's why right now I'm investing my signal. I want to try to buy from here. I want us to try to buy from here. Remember Mondays I don't trade. Okay, I'm not trading, but I'm just trying to call it for those people that may want to be that may be interested in this one. So if you are buying right now again, the stop loss is very tight. I'm going to put the stop loss somewhere around there. So from here to here, it was going to be how much stop loss, how much, this much stop loss. So if you are buying right now, then your stop is going to be 9 pips again. So this is a quick scalp for those that want to catch fast move. So 9 pips to take profit on this psychological level 1.215. So it's going to be a quick scalp, quick scalp. All right. So in this quick scalp, you don't want to be wasting too much time. So if you get on in now, if price gets here, you exit on the buy. It's a quick scalp. Why did I say it's going to be a buy now? So price will still likely do an equal high somewhere around here and start dropping. Most likely, price will likely do an equal high here and start dropping. All right. But before then, let's cap this buy to that point. But then our advice for a safer exit, you should exit at 1.215000. That's what I'm anticipating. All right. But then the sell is still coming on. So just keep an eye. The main sell is still coming. This buy is just like a channel scalp. All right. So just in spirit of we must take a trade in this live session. That's why I'm calling this trade. So go ahead and hit on this buy right now. Catch it up to this extent, and then you're out. Make sure you're listing only 9 pips. So the stop loss is 1.2121. Oops, sorry. So it's going to be 1.2118. That's the stop loss. I'm spelling it out. So you should be exiting at 2151.21500. That's your exit. Exit. Then this is your stop loss. All right. We must take profit today. That's it. And Sham sent a message to me, said that we are in 40 pips profit, that you guys should break even as at that time. But I didn't get the message in time. Sorry. He said that we are in 40 pips profit. Should take profit. All right, so let's check. Let's check your 30 for him since he's not here. And by the way, we are delaying his class. Is he here? Okay, Shams is here. Shams, are you there? Shams there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Oh, please go live. Go ahead. Go ahead. Take. You can share your screen.
Okay.
Share your screen. Share your screen.
Uh, yo, guys, I think we're on 60 pips profit right now, right? I wish I can update you guys. I'm on 70. 70 to 80 pips. So everybody should break even right now. Sell, sorry. So see you guys later. Bye. I'm getting ready for my class, that's why. But then automatically we're on 80 pips profit already. We're on 80 pips profit. So uh you can take your profit or you break even, because New York section will soon open right now. And I don't know why this thing is.
All right. So Shams is currently his network is acting up already. But look at what he has now. Everybody is in about how many people stop loss. I mean, how many people in profit rather. My is in deep profit right now. So I think the entry was somewhere around here. Remember, he called it somewhere around there. He called it somewhere around here, right? I can't remember where his stop loss is at. But right now, he's in profit of is in what's the loss highs? 1,000 pips. Where? No, that's amount. This one is a lot size. 107. Okay, 107, 107, 107. 107 take profit. It even went this much to this upside. It went to 150, and now it's retracing though. So you guys should be securing your profit right there. Remember, it's Monday. Ideally, we shouldn't be trading, but I just forced them to give us this trade. I'm also forcing one again on GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, I'm saying we should go on a buy right now. So I'm we should be up about all right. We should be up of about say few pips there too. All right, all right. So we've gotten on a new entry here now. We should be up of about. Let me calculate with this one. How do I get to know this one now? Or this thing measure. We are just up. I don't know. It's not measuring because the accuracy of this thing maybe need to be set. We are up. 14. Okay, we are up 14 pips on GBPUSD. Thank you. We are up from our entry right now. We are up 14 pips. That is, if you enter the first one before, you took your stop loss. Now take your stop loss back from them. So you're up 14 pips. Still hold so that you can make small profit from it. All right. So on GBPUSD, we are positive. On US30, we're also positive today on today's signal. So I'm happy that your profit is back again to in your hands. All right. So on GBPUSD is still there, still so much active. So people on the Zoom, hope they are catching it too live. They are catching it, right? Okay, powerful, powerful. People on the Zoom. Okay, someone said that he's making profit too on GBPUSD. Nice. Nice. Okay, if you have any question, just let me know now before I call it a day. Okay. All right, so that'll be it for today. So if you need a broker that you want to use, the link is in the description box. Kindly use that link right now to sign up. Just if you want to be a part of a trading community, just like this, which is Fire Pips channel, go on Telegram, or you can just click on the link in the description box to avoid comments. Click on the link in the description box, and you can just follow us right there to community. So please kindly know we are now on Facebook. My name on Facebook now is now Jeffrey Ben. If you see that, we're definitely not going to ask you for money. We don't do investments. We're not going to ask you to send us money through crypto or bank transfer, anything at all, please desist from such activity. We're also now on Instagram. My main page on Instagram was suspended for some reasons to Mark Zuckerberg. I don't know why he did that to me. But then I went ahead and opened a backup page again, which is Jeff Benz Forex. There's no full stop or anything at all. So please kindly check the company page to be able to refer to my own personal page right now, Jeff Benz Forex. So that's my Instagram now. And also we're also live on YouTube here, which is Jeffrey Benson. And we're also on Twitter, which is now X, as Jeffrey Benson Forex. And also on TikTok, Jeffrey Benson Forex. So everywhere, just follow up, engage, 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 engage. So the only place where I'm not is I'm not on. Okay, let me not say. Okay, I'm everywhere. Just follow me, Jeffrey Benson. All right. Bye for now, guys. See you guys next week, Monday again, same time here on YouTube. And most importantly, I want to see you guys in the mentorship where we get to teach you like this one-on-one on laptop anywhere on the go. So we get to teach you online, whatever part of the world you might be in. You can always plug on and join. If you have 2 hours in a day spare to learn, you can spare to us 2 hours of your time for us to teach you. You'll be able to learn for us in 3 months and be consistent. That's what I'm telling you. 2 hours every day. If you can just after we finish learning, after we finish teaching you, you spare 2 hours ahead to just study whatever you are being taught. You'll be able to learn for us in 3 months. All right. That'll be all for today. Bye for now. All right, guys.